event in my elementary life as valedictorian. Graduation is not just about holding a diploma nor having a sumptuous meal after the celebration. It's more than that. This is the beginning of another phase in our life. We all been together for many years now, and I am so proud to say that I became part of my beloved alma mater, which serves as my fortress of strength, knowledge, virtues and values, and the source of my wisdom. I am what I am now because of you. Thank you so much. Competitive, nurturing, and loving. These are the qualities of all my teachers that helped and molded me to become a better person. To Ma'am Marnie, Ma'am Binya, and Ma'am Bernie, thank you so much for the support extended to me, especially during the time that we had to compete in every contest. I am so grateful that I have found you in my life. Thank you for being my friend, my best friend, my confidant, and my second parent. For all the things that you have shared to me, I promise to keep it and eventually apply it in my day-to-day living as I face a bigger challenges in life. To my parents, Mama and Papa, Lolo and Lola, Mommy, and to my sister, thank you so much for all the support that you have given to me throughout my journey. Mama, this is the reward that you have been waiting for. This is the gift that I can offer to you. For all the sacrifices and never-ending support in all my endeavor and the unconditional love that you have showered me, thank you so much. Words are not enough to tell you how grateful I am for having you. I know, sooner or later, you will be living again. And I know, it's very hard for you also to be getting away from all of us. But don't worry, Mama. I promise I will keep on studying until I finish my studies. To all my classmates and fellow graduates, with whom I have shared all my laughter and tears, my hopes and my dreams, to all of you who never failed to believe in me, thank you. I know that we will not be able to share the same school next school year, but we should always keep in mind, no matter how distant we may be, the memories that we have will always bind together. We may not share the same circle of friends anymore, but in my heart and in my thoughts, you will always remain. Let us not forget that education is the most important weapon that we can use in achieving our goals in life. Our education is the most effective tool that will eradicate ignorance from our growing mind. Let us all become an asset and not liabilities. Today, I will stand and prepare myself with the things that will come my way. The road I have to travel may not be that smooth, but I'm confident and competitive enough to take all the challenges in life. Follow your dreams. Aim high, but always keep your feet on the ground. Above all, believe in God because He will give us the right opportunity at the right time. Thank you very much and good afternoon.